Hey folks, hopefully you've just seen our live stream on the main channel regarding the leak from Best Buy where a guy's just walked into Best Buy and bought the brand new DJI Mini 2. Yep, that's right, they dropped the name Mavic, which is strange. Now this looks very, very much legitimate. There are too many elements that he would have had to fake here. And so at this point, I'm prepared to say that I believe that this is legitimate, all right? And I believe that the launch event will be coming imminently as well. So keep an eye on the link in the video description below, which will take you straight to the DJI trailer page, which is where they first announce events like this before they send it out to everybody. Anyway, the channel that actually bought the Mini 2 and leaked the unboxing video is this one here, Our Beautific World. And people have been asking him, please share the specifications. Well, he's literally just 42 minutes ago put live another video which shows him stepping through the actual drone again, the specifications, the box. We can see here, again, 249 grams, really exciting. Side of the box, he basically shows you the whole box. At the top there, you can see it says DJI Mini 2. 249 grams, 31 minutes flight time, 10 kilometers OcuSync, 3-axis 4K video. They're the key headlines here. That is really exciting. Not only does this thing have OcuSync now, but it's 4K and it's still 249 grams. Incredible. Else in this video, the rest of it, he basically shows you the box. Again, it just all looks very, very much legitimate, but then he goes on to actually take it out again and he shows us the drone. You can see on the back there, it clearly has USB-C, which is great. That's as we were expecting as per the FCC leaks. If we then keep scrolling through, he's got all the stickers on there. It comes as well with a prop holder, which hopefully is to stop those props from being deformed when it's being packaged. Again, you can see the USB-C port. Far too much work to fake this. I really don't think it is a fake. On the side of the arm, you can see it says Mini 2 there as well. And as he starts unfolding it, you can see more of the drone. Very minor differences really between this and the original model. You'll notice the button there is slightly different, the light button. There is this slot at the front, the light at the front as well, as I think the existing one has that from memory. So yeah, really, really interesting. Go and have a look at this guy's channel because buying this is quite bizarre, and I think somebody might get fired from Best Buy for allowing this to be sold before the product's even been announced. Absolutely incredible. As I say, go and check out this guy's channel. No doubt he'll be putting more videos live, including the first full flight with the new DJI Mavic Mini 2, or the DJI Mini 2, as it's now going to be called. Comment below with your thoughts about this. It's very exciting. Hit the subscribe button. And if you haven't seen the live stream that we did to break this news out there, go and have a look at that as well. There's a link in the video description. Thanks, guys.